Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks, part 2 of this. Not really necessary, but while the other one was loading yesterday, I was looking at it. So just yesterday, I made this video, and I thought this would be a perfect reason to use the clone tool. So I'm just going to get rid of the other two. I'm working in this darkness, but I don't have to. I'm going to move that out of the way. We're still in the center of the page. So I'm going to go up to Edit, and I'm going to clone this. Now I'm going to move one of them out of the way, and if you can see, that is our control curve. This is our clone curve. This is our control. So we're going to move it up. We're going to use the one that's just the clone. I'm going to Control D, alternate C. I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. Control D, Control D. Now, if you remember, I brought in the black box, and it looks pretty bad. Can't really see the darkness. So this is a control curve. We're going to go back to the interactive fill tool, and we're going to make it not quite as dark. Let's put a little more blue right in there and watch what happens. It automatically did all four of them, so you really see what's going on. And we could do a lot more with this. We could add another white and another blue closer, so the white won't kind of stand out. And we look at that. Let's keep going. That's pretty cool. And because you can just keep the white, to me, adds like a shiny object, almost like it's bent and folded. You know what? We can get one more in there, maybe. Let's put another. I might be going too far. Try to get a blue between them. I liked it before when I just had the 4. So that's pretty cool. So anything you do to this one is going to transcend because it's a clone. So we could bring in a light blue. I don't like it, but I'm just showing you. Let's bring in a red, and it's going to make all of them look like that. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.